Welcome back to our channel SafusCreation. Today we are going to make two easy antique home decor. Here are the materials required. First of all, mix glue and water in the ratio 2:1. Now tear tissue paper into small pieces. Apply the glue and water mix onto the bottle. Stick the torn tissue paper onto the bottle, leaving some wrinkles behind. You also have to stick a second layer of the torn tissue paper. Don't forget to stick the tissue underneath the bottle. Let the tissue paper dry. After the tissue paper dries, paint the bottle with black acrylic paint. For this step, you can use any metallic shade. Here, I am using the pearl metallic bronze shade. Now slowly dip your finger in the paint and rub it onto the bottle. Now let's stick the decoration. Can you guess what are we sticking here? Write down your answers in the comment section below. The first 3 right answers will get a shout out in my next video. Now paint the flower with metallic bronze color. Let's stick small pearls to the center of the flower. Now let's move on to the second DIY. Stick ice cream sticks using glue gun to the can. Tear the tissue paper and stick it to the can. Don't forget to stick 2 layers of tissue paper here too. Now stick a thin rope on the upper part of the can. Let's paint the holder using black paint. Slightly dip your finger into the metallic paint and rub it onto the holder. Now stick the flower onto the holder. Lastly, spray varnish your antique bottle and holder. If you liked the video, consider subscribing to our channel and support us by hitting that like button.